Hey you guys, welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef, Charisse, and today we're going to veganize the infamous, well I guess not infamous because infamous is bad, but the famous Bisquick Sausage Balls. So we're going to veganize them. It's not going to have any animal products, dairy, blah, 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 blah. And we're going to see how close we can get them. Before I get started, I did want to say, you guys, that my e-cookbook secret recipes from a vegan bakery is on my Etsy, which will be linked below. And also from now until the end of this month, the 28th, 2019, I'm offering 10% off using the code Cookie Monster. That's just funny. I'm using the code Cookie Monster, 10% off. A super great deal, 46 recipes, blah, all the information will be on there when you go to my Etsy, learn more about the e-cookbook. So let's get into it. Bop, bop. All right, in this large bowl, I have 3 cups of Bisquick baking mix, which most of them are vegan. Just double check the back if you're getting some like weird off-brand or something like that. And then I'm going to add a whole tubular form, which is, I believe is, 14 ounces, certified vegan, of light life, say that 5 times fast, light life veggie sausage. So we're going to add that in there. It looks like poop. Then we're going to add, you know, I love my field roast chow tomato cayenne. This is going to get a bit extra flavor, but I also very much rely on this brand because it melts very well and it's actually found very easily where I live. So they come in slices. I took the whole block of slices and just shredded it. That's a lie. I didn't do that. Greg did that. But so we're going to pour that in there. And then, because normally when you make this, not the non-vegan version, one of the things that helps it be so scrumptious, deliumptious, and whatever with the Bisquick is the grease that comes out of it. Because this isn't real sausage and this isn't real cheese, I'm going to make up for the grease bonanza by adding my own 1/4 cup of EVOO, which is just extra virgin olive oil. So as you notice, I don't have rings on today because we gonna go balls deep, bitch, while you hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification. Okay, so now that we've got it all mixed together like this with our hands, we're going to form into balls. So just take a bit, squeeze it around like so. And they're going to be about 1-inch size balls. I mean, you do you. Like, whatever you want your balls to be. You know what I mean? Like, they're your balls. Like so, and then you just put them on your little cookie sheet and you keep going around and around, around town. And I have my oven preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to bake these for about 20 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. Now, again, this isn't raw meat, so we'll be okay. You can't undercook it, boo-boo. And again, because you're not getting the grease from the meats and cheeses, I went ahead and melted a little bit of vegan butter. I'm going to take my little brush and I'm just going to go over the tops just a little bit so that they're very similar to the original. Like, you don't have to do this. Like, girl, don't tell me you're trying to cut down on calories because these are not the recipe for that. But this, I just really wanted them to be as close to the original as I could possibly get them. So that's why I'm doing it this way. You don't have to do it. This part's optional, but like, girl, it's so worth it. You guys, look at our volleyballs. Oh my God, hold on. Let me already show you the middle because maybe your girl took a bite out. Oh, shit. Okay, so I'm actually using this dipping sauce. Let me tell you, this is, voila. This is Dashalitos. That's what it is. Yeah, Dashalitos Green Fire Hot Sauce, which is made in Wisconsin. Shout out to Joellen and Chris for hooking us up with this. This is where her sister used to live, and she tried this sauce, and she loved it. Ordered a bunch online. We got to try it out, and I gotta tell you, it was fucking legit. So I highly recommend that. Now, you can dip these. You can have like any dip. You can do like a marinara I've done. You can do like a vegan ranch. You can just eat them straight up. Like, girl, who am I to tell you what to do with your balls? So let me just get in there. Hot sauce though. Okay. Okay. Oh. Roll that hot sauce. Now, You can certainly just use like a vegan cheddar. I have yet to find a vegan cheddar that I actually enjoy and doesn't taste chemically. But you can certainly use any vegan cheese that you want. But I gotta tell you, the tomato cayenne gives it like a whole other level of flavor that you don't get from the like original like sausage ball recipe from Bisquick. It definitely reminds me of childhood, but like elevated. Because we got the tomato cayenne. And you know what? I highly suggest putting that extra vegan butter on top. It really brings it back to that legit recipe. Like, I don't know how else to explain it. It just, you have to incorporate that grease because you're not going to get it because it's not animal products. Because we out here being vegan. Oh my God. So, if you want the full written recipe as per usual, it will be linked below, midnightmunchiesandmore.com. If you like this recipe, smash that thumbs up button, girl. Write me a comment. Follow me on social media if you make my recipes. Share pictures. Share your thoughts. I want to know. I love that. I thrive off of that. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I have another delicious recipe coming your way. Another nostalgic, easy, quick, throw together, veganized recipe. You don't want to miss it. So ring that bell notification. I'll catch you next time, girl. Oh, why am I whispering? ASMR? What? Okay, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.